Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unusually low frame rate in Star Citizen. So go to Start and type systm.cpl to open System Properties. Click the Advanced tab. Alternatively, in Windows 11, right-click Start, select System, then Advanced System Settings. Click Settings in the Performance section. Click Advanced tab under Virtual Memory. Then check how much is being allocated. By default, Windows typically assigns between 4,000 and 8,000 megabytes, which is not enough for our use case. If you see a number above 32,000, then unfortunately your problem lies elsewhere. If not, click Change, untick Automatically Manage, then select a fast drive from the list. If you are unsure, C is usually the best choice. Select Custom Size and enter 32,768 in the initial and 49,152 in the maximum. This equates to 32 gigabytes and 48 gigabytes in megabytes. You can set the max to a higher or lower value if you want, but the minimum is ideal. Click OK and OK again. If you're simply eager to see if this worked, then feel free to restart your computer now. And hopefully, I'll see you in the verse. If like me you want to understand why of things, then I'll explain. What we have done here is set the page file, sometimes called a swap file, or virtual memory. To be bigger, think of the page file as an overflow for RAM. When your computer starts to run short on memory, or if data isn't used for a while, Windows will move data from RAM into the page file in order to free up resources. With SC being so memory hungry, a lot of data inevitably gets paged, and herein lies our problem. Windows often sets the page too small by default, and if the page file is too small, Windows can't add data to it, so it simply deletes it. This means the game now needs to reload everything again from storage into RAM. But if the page file is big enough, Windows can simply retrieve what is needed when it's requested. And this is far quicker than loading from scratch. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.